Do you know what? I mucked up with them door things, and I should know better really. I fitted them before, just my brain wasn't in gear. And I think it's because I got back off holiday last week. And usually when I've been away, you know, for a week or so, and I get back home, I'm raring to go, itching to get back to work and get back into it. But this time it's different for me really. I really feel like I could have stayed out there indefinitely and just lived on a shoestring and enjoyed that weather and that lifestyle. Yeah, I think there's a bit of a shift in me as I get older. I'm not really feeling the work so much, although I do enjoy it. Usually by sort of day 5 or 6 of a holiday, my head is thinking about, I'll get back, get that done, and quite look forward to it. But this time I didn't want to come home at all. It's very unlike me, so I think that's why I'm just being a bit of a div really, because my head is still in Mallorca on a beach somewhere. I was just in the back of my van looking for some silver spray to spray that one silver, because I've obviously made a muck up with these doors. And while I was in the back of the van, I just looked at my little trowels, all the rack of trowels I've got, and this little thing was sitting away, and it's a beautiful trowel. It's a carbon one, but it's an old Wicks one, and I must have bought this, I don't know how long I've had it. Must be 15 years, easy. I've not really used it, but I've got it out and looked at it, and it's not as wide as the Marshalltown. I don't think it's, I don't know how wide it is. I haven't got a tape to measure it, but it's not as wide as the Marshalltown. But I think you can see that it's really, really a nice, solid trowel. It's a long one. I should measure it really. If I'm going to do a video on it, I should measure it. But yeah, I'm not doing a video on it. I'm just saying that it's a really lovely trowel, and it's just a Wicks one. Really solid. I'm going to start using that. And the handle's really nice actually. I don't know if Wicks still do that range, because it's old. They might have changed their range of their handles, but that handle feels really nice. And I'm going to start using that and break that right in. I think that's going to be a beautiful trowel, that one. Yeah, handy, wasn't it? Right guys, it's 1:30 on Tuesday afternoon, and I've just finished the doors. All the doors are done, the locks went in. I mean, did you see that that last lock, that toilet lock? It was so beautiful, it was a beautiful lock. The bathroom lock was so good, so great, it's beautiful. I think you'll agree it was a beautiful lock. I fitted the lock myself, didn't need no help. It was a great lock, worked beautiful, great, best lock. It was the greatest lock I've ever seen. It was, I think you'll agree, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. So great, so good, so beautiful, and beautiful mechanism. As McDonald coming on, all right. It's not bad, is it? Not my best impression, but I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Anyway, I'm back indoors again, nice and early. And thanks for sticking with me through the door video. I know it's really not what the channel's about, but great to have you on board with it, and having a bit of a laugh with it too. So I'll probably see you all tomorrow when I'm back on the trail. See you then.